Hi, I'm Dr. Josef Hadeed. I'm a board-certified surgeon in Beverly Hills, California. We just got done doing a thigh lift surgery on our patient, and we're instituting the Elixir MD cellular repair protocol. So this utilizes yellow light, and we use it immediately after surgery. And the yellow light serves several purposes. So it penetrates a little bit deeper into the skin, up to 2 millimeters. And what this does is that it directly targets the mitochondria and stimulates the mitochondria, which is very essential for all cellular function. It also stimulates the smooth muscles within the lymphatic system, which helps to open up the lymphatic channels, and this helps to get rid of a lot of the excess fluid a lot quicker. The yellow light also directly affects pro-inflammatory cytokines within the skin or within the body, and this results in less inflammation. So the combination of all of these effects from the cellular repair treatment is that it results in less bruising, less swelling, less redness, and less pain, and ultimately leads to a quicker recovery for the patient. Now, we also institute the cellular repair protocol in the days after surgery as well. Up to 10 days after surgery, the patients receive multiple treatments of the cellular repair, and this is very beneficial from a healing standpoint to help patients recover a lot quicker from surgery.